What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. It's JP Dividends here, bringing you guys another video, and today I'm going to share with you guys all of the stocks that paid me in dividends for the month of June. How these videos normally work is that I'm going to share all the stocks that paid me in June. I'm going to share with you guys my total dividends if you were to add up all of those stocks and how that compares to other months. Plus, I'll share my total portfolio value and any change I had there. So if you got paid dividends in the month of June, comment down below what stocks paid you. I'd love to hear what you guys are owning. All right, now jumping into my June dividends. So starting out with the first company is going to be Microsoft. I made $7.52 from them. Visa, I made $2.38. Qualcomm, I made $9.15. SCHD, I made $27.27. Now this is just my brokerage. I also own them in my Roth, so I'll say them again later. And then the last company in my brokerage was Domino's Pizza, and that was $2.46. And then taking a look at my Roth, Home Depot paid me $4.77. And then Realty Income, $9.74. They're monthly, which is great to see. And here's SCHD for my Roth, which is $12.83. And then United Health Group, which is $2.77, which brings my total dividend income for the month to $78.89. So when comparing this quarter to last quarter, I was up $2 or 2%, which doesn't seem that good, but honestly, if you just compare a 3-month difference, if you're up 2% in dividend income every 3 months, that means that's 8% a year, folks. I ain't complaining about that. And that's considering the fact that I didn't invest that heavily between the last time I got paid and this time. So I'm really looking forward to seeing how next quarter turns out. And then when looking at my total portfolio value, I'm currently at $34,177, and that's as of July 1st. So when you compare July 1st to June 1st, I was up $1,900, which a majority of that is just from gains because I only deposited $592. So most of that increase, or $1,314 of that, is gains or a 4% return. So 4% in 1 month, that is awesome. No complaints there. And to be honest with you guys, I still have zero clue whether stocks are going to continue to rally or if they're going down or what direction we're going the second half of the year. Everything kind of just seems all over the place, but regardless, I'm buying. Also, one update I wanted to give you guys is that I finally got a new job, which is amazing because that means there's going to be a pay increase, which means I can invest more. So the second half of the year, you'll probably notice my investments are going up a lot. For example, in June, I invested $592. I think July it's going to be a lot more, but we'll see. And I also think with me investing heavily, especially the second half of the year, I should be able to get my portfolio above $50,000. I mean, that would be amazing if I could, but it really just takes a lot of consistency on my end, so I'm really hyped for that. Plus, on top of that, I'm going to be adding a new series to the channel where I fully reveal my portfolio once a month and show you guys all of my holdings, where I keep track of it and how my stocks are doing each month, as well as year to date, total return, all of that. So I'm really excited to get that series started up. So that is it from me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to drop a like down below, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.